In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an email template in Canva for Mailchimp. So first open up Canva and in the search bar search for email newsletter templates. So you can just type in email newsletter and here choose a layout that fits your brand and start customizing it. And once inside the editor page, start editing the text, colors, images, and sections like headers, content blocks, and call to action buttons so it matches your branding. And when your design is ready, click on the share button at the top right, then click on see all. Next, under messaging, click on see all and click on MailChimp. So here start by choosing pages that you would like to sync with MailChimp and of course select the correct account. Also connect your MailChimp account if you haven't already and click on share to MailChimp. And if you see this, that only means that your new Canva design is ready to use inside MailChimp, making it easy to create professional looking email campaigns. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!